Memorial Day. In a world where communication is key, everyone deserves the opportunity to express themselves. At Sign Tribe Academy, we believe that American Sign Language is more than just a language. It's a bridge to understanding, connecting, and empowerment. Our sign language and disability support courses were developed with one mission in mind: to teach American Sign Language to support communication strategies for autistic and disabled individuals. With over 1,000 videos, including easy-to-follow courses, interactive lessons, conversational skills, live Zoom workshops, and a supportive community, Sign Tribe Academy provides the strategies and resources needed to unlock the potential of our students. Whether you or your child are just beginning the ASL learning journey or looking to expand your ASL vocabulary, Sign Tribe Academy has something for everyone. Unlock the power of communication with Sign Tribe Academy. Join us today and let's create a world where everyone can be seen, heard, and understood. Sign Tribe Academy, where communication begins. Memorial means like you're looking back in time. Okay, looking to the past and remembering. So we're looking in the past to remember. Memorial Day. So you're going to have a 2 or a V with your dominant hand pointing toward your dominant eye, just whatever side your dominant side is. And then you're going to move out and then to the back. Memorial Day. Day. Index finger of your dominant hand resting on your non-dominant arm, and then move down like this. Memorial Day. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.